After 4 years of blood, sweat, and tears on this platform called YouTube, I'm pleased to announce that I finally got monetized in March. And then I got my first paycheck in July. The amount I got though! I'll let you be the judge of whether or not it was all worth it. Let's go. Hi, I'm Olamide and I've been creating natural hair content on this channel since July 2020. I was a student back then studying computer engineering at Covenant University, and between the chapel services and the late classes, I remember not being very consistent on YouTube. Even after I graduated, I had to tackle NYSC, I had to integrate myself into the world of work, so I would take frequent and long breaks from YouTube, and that would really hurt my watch time and delay my monetization until sometime around August last year when I decided to buckle down and just be printing out videos. I think in August I released like 13 videos. I was releasing like 3 videos a week. There was a week that I released 4 videos in that week, so I think that's what made it come to a total of 13 videos. But churning out that much content at once made me burn out really quickly. So by around November I already started slowing down, and in December I think I posted just 1 video, and then I took a break till like February this year, 2024. But then I noticed something interesting. Even though I hadn't posted anything on YouTube for the past 3 months, my watch time was still increasing. So I thought to myself that, okay, if I'm not posting anything and my watch time is increasing, if I now post, if I not just vex and post. So in March of 2024, I decided to really buckle down and give it my all, and that was when it happened. I finally hit monetization on this YouTube. My god, it's really funny because on the 24th of July 2020 I posted my very first video to YouTube, and on the 24th of March 2024 I got monetized. It's crazy. And then it's funny again how in July, a complete 4 years after I started my YouTube channel, I got my first paycheck. Anyway, since I got monetized, I've been trying my best to stay consistent on YouTube with a mixture of long form content and shorts, and so far I've made some coin, but let's find out exactly how much. I have my stats right here on my laptop because I cannot say this thing from my head. It's not possible. Too many numbers. So in March, from the 24th to the 31st of March, I had 23,000 views, and for that I made $9.37. Now of that money, $7.96 came from long form videos, while $1.41 came from shorts. So you can see how the RPM is drastically different between the 2 content formats. For long form videos, it was $2.69 per 1,000 views. So for every 1,000 views, I was paid $2.69. I had 3,000 views, so $2.69 times 3 gives me $7.96. As for shorts, the RPM was so much lower, like it was in the dustbin. $0.07. That's literally like 7 cents. 7 cents per 1,000 views. Let that sink in. Let that sink into your blood a little bit. So I had 20,000 views from shorts, so 20 times 0.07, that gave me $1. $1.41 for 20,000 views. Wonderful. So if you want to make significant money from AdSense, you better turn your camera like this, turn it landscape, and start filming some long form content. Or I mean, you could post 5 shorts per day, each of them hitting like 250k views. If you are having that kind of traction on your shorts, and then you can go ahead and be posting shorts. But if not, my dear, like this. Alright, so in April I had 84,789 views, and for that I made $37.60. Now of that money, $31.34 came from long form content with 7,400 views, while the remaining $6.25 came from shorts with 75.3k views. $6. You get way more views on shorts, but long form videos is where the money's at. Moving on to May, I had 41,698 views, and for that I made $38.64. Now of that money, $36.41 came from long form videos with 7.6k views, while the remaining $2.21 came from shorts with 34.1k views. That's crazy. June was a pretty dry month. I had 29,246 views, and yet I made $36.72. That's actually amazing, because remember in April I had over 84,000 views and I made $37.60. I got a quarter of those views in June and got almost the same amount of money. YouTube really does work in mysterious ways. Anyway, for this month of June, I shall made the $36.72. And out of that, $34.90 came from long form content with 7.5k views, while just $1 and 82 cents came from shorts with 21.8k views. Wow. I should mention at this point that if you are going to get paid in a month, you need to have passed the $100 threshold by like the 20th of that month, because payouts begin on the 21st. So as of June 20, I had made $108.76. However, I couldn't get paid because I hadn't gotten my hands on my AdSense pin yet. So I was forced to go into my AdSense settings and extend my threshold from $100 to $150, so that the money can just keep counting there until I can sort out my AdSense issues. Thankfully, in July, I got my affairs in order. I had gotten my PIN, I had opened and set up my domiciliary account. Everything was ready. I was ready to get paid. I had even filled my tax information on AdSense, though more on that later. So I went into my AdSense setting and I moved the threshold back from $150 back to $100. The thing is though, by moving it back to $100, they did not now count my July earnings at all, because I had passed the $100 threshold back in June. So even though by June 20th I had reached $108, by the 30th I had reached over $122. And out of $122, $110 came from long form videos with 25.4k views, while just $11.69 came from shorts with 151.2k views. $11. Anyway, all was set and now I was just patiently waiting to receive credit alert. And the day I got it, I nearly cried. There were tears of joy and also tears of sadness. I'll explain why. Remember that $122 that I say was my total from March 24 all the way to June 30th? $122. Guess how much they now credit me? $92. 92. What happened to the remaining $30? Fiam, it have go inside tax. Jesus. I was charged a whopping 24% in taxes. Why was I charged so high? Well, for one, Nigeria does not have a tax treaty with the US. So they are even ready to chop up to 30% of your earnings if you reach that one, because we don't have a tax treaty with them. So I guess I should count myself lucky that my own percentage was just 24 and not 30. Another reason is because most of my audience is actually based in the US. So they are going to tax me for all their US users and remit that money to the US government. On the bright side, I got my dollars and I'm gonna keep getting my dollars. The focus now is on how to get more dollars per month, because this $30 per month is not sweet. Like, it's good though, but it can be so much better, and I'm going to try my best to figure it out. So that's how much YouTube paid me. If you are monetized and you are in Nigeria, please share how the taxes are treating you in the comments. I really want to know. I want to hear other people's experiences. And if you are not monetized, I promise you it is possible. You are going to get there. It may take time. It took me 4 years. 4 solid years. I could have given up at any point in time. Heck, I almost gave up so many times, had many mental breakdowns, but here I am collecting my dollars, and I'm going to keep collecting my dollars, as I said before. So do not give up. Keep on going, keep on trying, keep on perfecting your craft, keep trying to learn new ways to make money and to make your videos more interesting, to get more views, to grow your channel, one day you're going to find the sweet spot and you're going to hit this monetization, and it's going to be so delicious. I promise you. I'm actually starting a second YouTube channel that is geared towards helping content creators get better at their craft, and also helping them to juggle their content creation with their 9 to 5, because I'm also a working creator. I work a 9 to 5, but I still create content on multiple accounts on multiple platforms. So if you're interested in that kind of content, I've left the link to that YouTube channel in the description. So make sure you head over there and subscribe and turn on post notifications. The first video is going to be dropping sometime in the middle of August. So make sure you are already there, your post notification is on, you are waiting, and you are ready. If you would like to join the WhatsApp community where we can have open chats and discussions and even rants, whatever you like, it's just a community where we come together and have fun after our 9 to 5s, of course. So the link to the WhatsApp community is right there in the description as well. Make sure you click on it, make sure you join. I can't wait to meet you. I can't wait for us to have a lot of fun together. I'll see you over there. All right, hon, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my very next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Mwah. Bye.